Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best sleeper sofa that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DHP Emily Futon with chrome legs. The DHP Emily Futon bed is exceptionally sleek and stylish looking and comes in many different colors and fabrics like velvet, linen or faux leather to suit your aesthetic taste. The material of this futon bed is extremely comfortable to recline in after a long day at work. You will not need an extra mattress for this because of the beautiful square tufted backrest and seating. It is one of the best sofa bed under $300 that gives you a superior sense of relaxation on every use. It is also quite compact and the assembly of the futon bed is also quite easy, you hardly need any expert assistance. It comes with a sturdy yet ergonomically designed chrome legs which provide an extremely durable frame to the entire setup. The very efficient split back ensures that the user can very easily tweak the back to fit his comfort level. You can use this as a sofa, a recliner and a bed. In short, it is a multitasker through and through. You can also pair this with a preferred chaise lounger or an ottoman for an extra space and aesthetic appeal. Moving on at number 4, we have the Best Choice Products Linen Upholstered Modern Convertible Folding Futon Sofa Bed. The Best Choice Products Linen Upholstered Convertible Folding Futon Sofa Bed is a good choice for you to invest in if you have a small family and will only use this for a movie night or a game night or simply lounging. This fits 2 people easily while lounging, and comes with 2 cup holders where you can place your cups when you are watching something. This sofa can be used in 3 adjustable positions as a sofa, recliner and a bed when convertible. The armrests are removable and can be adjusted quite easily when you are converting the sofa into a bed. The legs are chrome metalled and provide a durable and stable build to the futon bed in general. If you have very limited space, then this will be a perfect fit in your apartment, because it is ergonomically designed and can be stored in compact places. You can simply enjoy the functionality of a full-sized sofa and a bed without having to invest in the both of them separately or having to add unnecessary bulk to your living space. The tufted back rest of the sofa provides a very comfortable experience as it helps you rest your back. At number 3, we have the Serta Rain Convertible Sofa Bed. The Serta RNE3 SCC Set Rain Collection Convertible Sofa Bed is upholstered in a superior quality polyester fabric and is designed keeping in requirement the aesthetic value and comfort factor of the modern family living in an urban apartment. The beautiful ergonomic design of the convertible sofa bed makes it an instant favorite for people who do not have much space to accommodate a sofa and a bed separately, and can therefore invest in just one product itself. You can use this in 3 positions, as an upright sofa, a recliner and a bed. The assembly is very easy and can be done without any kind of expert guidance, as the convertible sofa bed is equipped with a finger guard, which provides the user with safety and protection when they are adjusting the convertibles according to their own preferences. The metal chrome legs add a timeless elegance to this sofa bed, which will go well literally in any household. Housed with metal chrome legs, this is a very durable build which provides a superior longevity. It also has very good quality and high-density foam webbing in between the cushions and the pocket coils with tufting details, self-stitched and self-piped cushions. At number 2, we have the Naomi Home Futon Sleeper Sofa. The Naomi Home Futon Sleeper Sofa is actually one of the best daybeds under $300 because it stands on a frame which is extremely durable and not prone to breaking like most. Like most sleeper sofas which are not that steady, the Naomi Home Futon Sleeper Sofa is different because it is extremely stable and will not wobble under your weight or pressure. It comes with a very modern design, one that will absolutely suit your urban apartment and bring a new level of comfort when you are using it. The material of the cushions is made of durable faux leather which make the usage much more comfortable and is also much easier to clean. You can simply run a cloth over it to wipe it down. It also features detachable armrests which you have to remove to transform it into the sleeping bed. You can use this as a recliner as well, as it can house 2 people on it for a movie night or a game night. Not just that, to give you a perfect theater feeling, it also comes with a middle armrest with 2 cup holders to hold your beverage. The assembly is also pretty easy and does not require any additional assistance. And finally at number 1, we have the Lilola Home Luca Dark Gray Linen Reversible Sleeper Sectional Sofa. The Lilola Home Luca Reversible Sleeper Sectional Sofa is the best sleeper sectional for those on a budget. In a small space, the least expensive sectional on our list delivers high value for the price. This sofa is compact, but at 84 inches, it still provides sufficient seating and ample storage space under the chaise side, which is big enough for bedding and other items. The sleeper is easy to use through its convenient pull-out function. This sectional is upholstered with a linen blend material that looks high-end for the price point. It boasts a simple but elegant design, and the plush cushions add comfort to the seating experience. The fabric comes in several colors, including dark gray, light gray, and yellow. This sectional is well crafted and designed to be easily assembled. The seat cushions and pull-out sleeper are firm enough to provide support, but if you prefer a softer sleeper, you can purchase an inexpensive foam mattress topper and simply store it underneath. Taller guests may find the chaise a bit short, but the sectional is a good fit in a small living room. It has a full-sized bed for a comfortable night's sleep. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.